Hey guys, welcome back to our video notes for 13-3. Now we're going to do some application of trig functions. So today we're basically going to be setting up real world problems that create right triangles, and specifically we'll be solving for a missing side. So here's a quick three-step way to solve for a missing side in a trig ratio. So first we want to draw a diagram. Second, use SOHCAHTOA to pick a trig ratio and set it up, and then we're going to cross multiply to solve for a missing side. Later we will learn how to solve for missing angles. So here is example 2. A builder is constructing a wheelchair ramp with a height of 18 inches and an angle with the ground of 4.8 degrees. To the nearest inch, what should be the distance between the end of the ramp and the deck? Okay, so let's get a visual of this. We have a ramp, and we know the height of the ramp is 18 inches. And remember, height is always perpendicular with the ground. So the angle with the ground, so here's my angle with the ground, is 4.8 degrees. So to the nearest inch, what should the distance between the end of the ramp, here's the end of the ramp, and the deck be? So they're not asking how long is the ramp, they're saying what's the distance between the end of the ramp and the deck. So that's going to be my x right here. So now I need to label my sides to choose which trig ratio is connected to this angle. So this is my opposite side, and x has to be my adjacent because this is my hypotenuse. So connecting to SOHCAHTOA, the only one of these that connects to opposite over adjacent is tangent. This is adjacent and hypotenuse, and this is opposite and hypotenuse. So now that I've picked the correct trig ratio based on the two sides, the one that we're given and the one that we're looking for, I'm going to set up tangent of this acute angle. So tangent of 4.8 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. So now that I've set up this trig ratio, the right side of my equation is a fraction, so I can make this side a fraction by putting it over 1. Then I will cross multiply to solve for x. So in this way I have 18 times 1, which is 18, equals x multiplied by tangent of 4.8 degrees. So then now I will isolate my x by dividing by tangent of 4.8 on both sides. And that cancels. So x is 18 divided by tangent of 4.8 degrees. So now I need to plug that into my calculator in order to get a rounded decimal. So 18 divided by tangent, which is right here, of 4.8 degrees. Uh-oh, that can't be right. So let me make sure my calculator, so here's my problem. My calculator here is in radians, and remember my problem is in degrees, so I have to make sure that my calculator is in degrees before I start calculating this. It's impossible for this to be negative 1.58, so that helped me out. So let me do second entry again, and all right, there we go. 214.4 inches. All right, we'll try some more of these in class tomorrow.